Welcome this video. Transfer your outdoor space, backyard, depth idea to elevate your home. A backyard depth is more than just an stand of your home. It's versatile space where you can relax, entertainment, and make remember with family and friends. Whether you want a choosy retreat, a functionally outdoor dining area, or a lush spot for entertain, a well-designed depth can make all of different. Here are some create backyard depth idea to inspire your next project. Multi-level depth for defined space. If your backyard is long or functional, uneven, tranquil, a multi-level depth can be both product and steam. Even level can serve a unique prepost upper level create a dining area with a dining table, chair, and umbrella for chef. Mid level add a comfortable set area with soft and a coffee table for relax. Last low level reset this space for a fire pit or hot table to add touch of lush. Multi level depth are idea for family or those who host gathering. Us can help manage food, traffic, and often zone for different active. Pagalo for shade and style. Add a pagalo to your depth often a blend of functionally and static. Those structures provide shape and serve as a framework for convenient plots like wash, create a scene, and gardening even to make your bungalow even